Well, there's a couple things that changed. So I said yesterday we had our one-on-one session. One of the biggest changes was like just internal of kind of getting out of my own way. I was like really fixated on like food and diet and it was a lot of like restriction. And in this shift, I felt like I've allowed myself to basically just kind of be who I need to be and eat what I need to eat and whatever. And that's actually working for me. So like I had a piece of pie, but I'm still like losing weight. And it's kind of like I'm like, it blows my mind, right? And then another thing is just like I had had court ordered therapy as part of my divorce, and that actually just went away. Like the therapist was like, "You don't need to be in therapy. You're fine." So I got dismissed from that. So like even that finance, like the money expense, got taken away. So that frees up money for me to do something else. So there's lots of like big positive shifts. It's one of those things where it's like if you didn't look at it, you would think like, "Oh, okay," but I mean, really, I was just like, oh, these are the subtle shifts that are changing and moving that it's awesome. It's really, really quite liberating, is the word.